What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back. We have a huge haul of items to unbox. I don't know what's in them, but we are going to get these unboxed and we're going to see what we have. Let's check them out. First box I have is from Amazon. Let's get it open. On the inside, put the box to the side. Okay, so guys, this is the Kiwi. This is a wireless battery base for the Google Home Mini. Now I can't wait to actually get this open and check it out. So this is what the actual device looks like when you're looking at it. Kiwi logo on the front, you got logo on the inside. Power supply on the back. This is a wireless battery just for that Google Home Mini. So I can't wait to do a full review on this. I'll let you guys know what I think about it, what I like, and if it's worth it. The next package we're going to dive right into is this one right here. I probably can just tear this one open. It says it's from BSC store. Let's see. See what we got. Okay, dope. So we got some cases. Looks like iPhone XS Max case, iPhone XS Max, iPhone XS Max, and iPhone XS Max. There we go. So all these cases are by the company Moco. I'm gonna get these checked out. Looks like we got some nice premium cases here. So I'm gonna get them checked out and then we'll come back and we'll see what I actually think about them. But this is item number 2. Item number 3 is a big one. It's kind of heavy. Cut it open. Let's see what we got. All right, so we got more cases by Moco. These are, you guessed it, iPad Pro 11, iPad Pro 11, iPad Pro 11, 11, 11, 11. So tons of iPad Pro 11 cases by Moco. Can't wait to get them checked out and tell you guys what I think. Last but not least, one of my favorite companies, iBlazon. Okay, so it's a multi-angle stand. I have to get that open, see what it looks like. As well as 2 cases. So we got the Cosmo series protective case for iPad, and it is for iPad 11. And this one is another Cosmo case. So both of these for iPad 11. Cannot wait to get all this stuff open, get it tested out, and see what I think about it and tell you guys all about it. So that is it, guys. I got all 4 packages unboxed. You see we have some stylish iPhone XS Max cases over here. We got some Moco iPad cases right here, 11. Some iBlazon iPad Pro cases right here. We got a multi-angle stand from Subcase. We also have a Kiwi portable battery for that Google Home Mini. Cannot wait to get all this stuff unboxed, get these videos out, and tell you guys what I think about these products, and hopefully they will be able to help someone. Until next time, be sure and hit that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.